Buenos tardes, amigos. Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. We got Appies with Chappie by the lake. I'm going to do my brown sugar ribs. And then we're going to go all the way out to Cuba. And I'm going to have lobster on the beach. And I'm not kidding, the lobster is bigger than Mookie. So we'll get started with a drink. It's quite early in the day here in Calgary, Alberta, so I'm going to do a non-alcoholic beverage. So this is great for the kiddies. It's actually a non-alcoholic planter's punch. I got my trusty bartender's guide here. So I'll just read out the ingredients here, just make sure I got everything. It says 1 teaspoon of Rose's lime juice, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 3/4 ounce of orange juice. I don't know why I'm doing the little teapot thing here. 3 ounces of orange juice, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of grapefruit juice, and a teaspoon of powdered sugar. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says I'm sweet enough, so we will leave the powdered sugar out today. And then we finish it off with a dash of grenadine. So it says all ingredients except the grenadine into a shaker, half filled with ice. Shake well, pour into a highball glass, nearly filled with ice. Top with grenadine and a garnish. All right, I just need to go get a lemon. And I think we're good to go. Bear with me, Mookie. Bear with me. All right. I got my lemon. Watch your eyes, Mookie. Okay, so we're just going to build this in a cocktail shaker. And again, it's a non-alcoholic drink for the kiddies. Okay, so a teaspoon of Rose's lime juice. I have some Rose's cordial lime. Very sticky, so having trouble getting the top off. That's just a teaspoon. And then a teaspoon of lemon juice. Had to go into the kitchen and get lemon, so I'm just gonna, here we go now. That looks like about a teaspoon to me, Mookie. This thing's handy, I got all the seeds out of there. Okay, what's next? 3 ounces of OJ. And 2 ounces of pineapple. Just finish off that pineapple. And what next, Mookie? Ounce of grapefruit juice. I have some white grapefruit juice today. And then we're leaving out the powdered sugar because Mookie says I'm sweet enough. We're going to give that a shaky. Have a nice beer glass today. And where's my strainer? We're going to strain that on in. Careful, Mookie. Don't get excited. Okay, and then the instructions say top with grenadine. So that's a little boop of grenadine. There we go. Grenadine went right to the bottom, so it kind of looks a bit like a tequila sunrise. And I got a nice umbrella garnish, and that is my non-alcoholic planter's punch. So what should we do next, Mookie? Let's go out to the lake. We'll do some appies with Chappie by the lake. I'll show you my brown sugar rib recipe. And then we're heading down to Cuba. And I'm not joking, this lobster is bigger than Mookie. I'm gonna have it right on the beach. It's gonna be chef's kiss. All right, so check it out. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappie by the lake. Today I'm doing my brown sugar short rib recipe. So I got these nice Asian short ribs. They're actually cut different than normal short ribs. So you can see that cut there. And then I'm probably gonna cut them into thirds just because we're gonna have them for appetizers. So I'm going to make a marinade, a very simple marinade. Like I said, I call these my brown sugar short ribs. So I got a cup of brown sugar. And then I'm going to do soy sauce, but and it's already going to be salty, but I have some garlic salt. Probably about say a tablespoon of garlic salt, and then we'll do a third of a cup of mirin. It's a Japanese sweet vinegar. And we'll go about a cup of soy sauce. So we're gonna give that a stir up, and then I'm gonna let these ribs marinate for 2 hours, and then I'm just gonna finish them off on the barbecue. And that's gonna be my brown sugar short ribs for Appies with Chappie by the lake.
It's a small appetizer.
It's a whole lobster. It's bigger than you. I like the lobster.
I think that's the biggest one I've seen.
Oh my god. Hang on a minute. Jeez. I thought it was a bit of lobster, not a whole one. That's amazing, isn't it?
You do. You fat
Oh, that's a taste of it. Oh, big thing, is it? Yes. It's amazing. Isn't it?
Son más alertas. Dos más, ya. A medida que van saliendo, tú vas a ver los que van saliendo. Ponle papi. Corriendo. Echando de los caballos. Encendieron los fogón.
This one's mine?
Yeah.
Okay. Gracias. I got it.
I got it, baby.
for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. This is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.